Unveiling the Art of Landscape Gardening. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that combines the beauty of nature with the creativity of design: landscape gardening. Whether you're a language learner looking to enhance your English vocabulary or someone intrigued by the blend of nature and aesthetics, this video is for you. Let's explore what landscape gardening is all about and why it's so important. Landscape gardening is an art and a practice that focuses on designing, creating, and maintaining beautiful outdoor spaces. It's not just about planting flowers and trees randomly. It's about thoughtful planning and design that harmonize with the natural environment. Landscape gardeners work with various elements like plants, water features, rocks, and garden accessories to create spaces that are not only visually appealing but also sustainable and environmentally friendly. In landscape gardening, every element plays a crucial role in the overall design. Key components include plants, the backbone of any garden. Plants are selected based on the climate, soil type, and the aesthetic the gardener wants to achieve. Water features, such as ponds, fountains, and waterfalls, add a dynamic element to gardens, creating a serene and relaxing atmosphere. Hardscaping. This refers to non-living elements like walkways, walls, and patios, which provide structure and define the space. Lighting. Proper lighting can transform a garden, highlighting features and making the space usable at night. Understanding these elements is crucial for anyone interested in landscape gardening, whether you're planning your own garden or appreciating the work of others. Landscape gardening goes beyond creating a beautiful space. It has several significant benefits. Environmental impact. Through the use of native plants and sustainable practices, landscape gardening can support local wildlife and reduce water usage. Well-being. Beautifully designed gardens offer a tranquil space for relaxation and reflection, improving mental health. Property value. A well-maintained landscape can significantly increase the value of a property, making it a wise investment for homeowners. Landscape gardening is a rich and rewarding field that blends art, science, and environmental stewardship. It's about creating spaces that not only look beautiful but also contribute positively to our well-being and the planet. We hope this video has shed some light on the fascinating world of landscape gardening and inspired you to appreciate or even create your own outdoor spaces. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content.